It's Friday, December the 3rd. We all had a wonderful Thanksgiving, and it's good to be back in the office and good to be back talking to you.
We came back this week and the market decided to zig and zag a little bit, up and down. It was not a surprise once you dig into it, what had occurred. Two things, a new variant in the COVID that certainly got all the press, and it was frontline every morning and every evening. And then secondly, what the Fed said. And the truth is, it's what the Fed said that made the market do what it did.
Yes, Jerome Powell did get retained. He's got another term as the Fed chairman, and then immediately said that they're going to rethink the tapering schedule and probably speed tapering up. And then also maybe interest rates were going to go up earlier than anticipated. The transitory inflation that Jerome Powell talked about does not exist. It is real inflation.
We still see the market having labor issues, having wage issues, having supply issues, but it is, even with this and the angst it's created in the marketplace, which created the volatility, we still believe that the underlying strength in the marketplace is there, and by the end of the year, we're going to see the market still up. So we're still steady as you go. The market since November, we said, has been down about...
I think the Dow's off about 5%.
5%. 5%, folks, is not a crash.
Yes, and your portfolios most likely are not off 5%.
Right. So we're okay. We feel you're okay. We're looking at what to do. Now, with that being said, we have already begun to talk about the first quarter of next year. We're probably, with what happens in December, with what the Fed does in terms of its tapering and interest rate discussions, we probably are going to begin to make some changes, but we'll circle back and give you plenty of heads up, and we'll talk with you from that. Two real quick notes. We've talked on both shows about a lot of scams going on. This is the season.
It is a season of scams.
Season for scams, phone scams, email scams. Don't get caught up in that. Don't give anybody any information concerning your Social Security or driver's license or any information. IRS officers do not call you. Medicare folks do not call you. So just don't fall prey to that. And then secondly, for those that we are still, and there's just a handful, but we are still working through the required minimum distributions for this year. We're following up with you. Look for a phone call from us, and we'll take care of that before the year's out, and we'll have that.
It's not only scam season, it's required minimum distribution season.
So we'll be doing that also. But we're glad to be back. We're looking forward to a good December and a strong finishing out the year. Again, we're always thankful for you as our good clients. Call us if you have any questions. Call us if you would like to meet with us. We'd be glad to set up an appointment. Always remember, it is your money.
And your money matters.
See you next week.